God bless you, my brother and my sister. I am so excited that you have decided to join us in our link. We are the Bible Way Fellowship of Believers here in the great city of Houston. I am the founding pastor of our church and of our ministry, and we're so glad that you've decided to tune in and to see what's going on at Bible Way. We are blessed to have a ministry that includes all people of all kinds. We just believe that we need to develop a relationship with God and a relationship with each other, and we will be able to do that through prayer, through praise, through the Word of God, through worship, through fellowship. All of those things we are developing for people just like you. Our worship services, you will find our time of our worship services and our studies on our links as you go through. And we'll be looking for you to respond and be excited to hear from you and to see you at the Bible Way Fellowship of Believers. God bless you, my friends. Enjoy your journey through the Bible Way.